All right, boys, we are on the way to Verona 8th Mile Drag to finally test this car out and see what it can do in the drag. Obviously, this is not a drag car. This is a road course car, clearly, but it is interesting to see what it's gonna do. I hope we take out some muscle cars. Fuck, dude, I don't even know, baby. I'm just stoked. Let's go. Goal for today, don't break the car. I do not, A, want to get stuck at Verona, because that would suck. B, beat some fools, make them feel bad about themselves, and C, just have a good time. I've got some buddies coming with me. Hopefully some of you guys are there. I posted on my story, but we'll see. I mean, it's gonna be a good night. I'm not gonna, I don't know what I don't know what I'm gonna not do and what I'm gonna do. We're just gonna figure it out. So I'll see you when we get there. Look at that, baby. There we go. And we're going straight into dirt. Oh, yes. All right, dude, we're pulling up, boys. Oh God, let's see what happens, dude. Oh, look at that. Getting snacked tonight, baby. Had a quick snack, boy. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just blindly moving around this area. We made it to Verona. The drag strip is right there, which is gonna be pretty legit. Kind of nervous, just gotta go to tech and see if I pass. I don't see why I wouldn't pass, but I guess I've never had to do tech in this car before. We'll see what happens. But yeah, the nerves are kicking in, dude. The nerves are kicking in. It's pretty, I've done this a bunch of times in the past on my last car, but for some reason this time just feels different. I don't know what it is, but I'm excited, but I'm nervous at the same time. I guess they're the same feeling. Let's go, baby. So I just met one of you guys, which was insane. I'm gonna take him for a ride if I can later down the strip just to do it and see what happens, but that was crazy. I can't believe that. That was fucking cool. We got my buddy Nick rolling in. You guys know Nick with the GTI. We're gonna go meet him, see what's up, mess him a little bit and say, oh, daddy. I just saw Nick almost pull into the pit lane and start taking off, just start racing. We'll see where he's at. I think he's coming up in a second here. This is just, he almost just pulled straight into the pits. Straight up back. Oh, there he is. Nick, do a pull in the pit lane. Nick, do a pull in the pit lane. Nick, like, get a pull, dude. Get a pull, dude. Get a pull. Dude, you almost pulled straight into the pits. Oh yeah, I forgot, it's gutted.
No mommies, dude. What's up, baby? What's going on?
You ready to get it?
Ready to not dirt. How about racing?
No, well,
yeah,
you're in the race lane, so you are racing.
That's what I was saying.
I'm joking, I'm playing.
Wait.
Just ask for, I can't wait to see what happens, dude. I really think, like, I'm either gonna slip really bad and it's gonna be none of this, or I'm gonna do really well. Dude, you know what you should have done? You should have just rolled forward and just kept going. Hey, and just gone straight over the thing.
Under this? Just keep going, you're good, you're good, you're good. Did you show them these?
Damn. Those are dope.
Did you show them?
What does that say?
I have no idea.
Are you Spanish?
Yeah.
I thought you were Rhodesian.
How do you know?
Mind doing me a favor, just push the door as hard as you can into my door. You just pulled up on me out of nowhere. Dude, and my man.
The texture was good. The car about to, I'm about to go out and try it.
We're about to see what happens.
You didn't go in yet?
I took a test pass, but I took it like half slow just to see what the track felt like, to see if it's grippy. It's not fucking grippy.
It's not grippy.
I mean, I need to warm up my tires more, to be fair. Like, I did the most half-ass burnout. We need traction. Once I get traction, I'm in there. I'm gonna hop in and do some runs, but we'll catch up, and if you want to go on a run, we'll go.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, good to see you guys. I'll see you soon, buddy.
All right, Bubble.
All right, boys. We got Nick in the passenger seat. Yeah. We're about to send it, and we'll see what happens. I'm pretty nervous. These new tires that I got on, we'll see. But, I mean, I'm gonna have to do a good burnout to get them warm because they have not been used at all. This thing, I don't know what that is, but it's kind of, looks like it's kind of quick. We'll see, I guess. I don't know.
I'm telling you, it says Beetle engines better than
I know, they are, they do well. All right, here we go.
Here we go, baby. Let's go.
Oh, it worked. Okay, I did a burnout. Yep. That's step one.
It was smooth too.
Yeah, I felt like that's the motor mount. Shout out Whoosh.
Oh yeah.
Literally, it's the motor mount.
Shout out Whoosh, baby.
All right, pre-stage. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. It feels like I'm passing him. Oh, here we go.
Let's go, baby. Fucking ripper.
No, I didn't.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I had it off.
Why did it feel like it wasn't like...
It was spinning. You didn't feel that?
It did, but it felt like
That I spun down the whole entire track. All right, dude, not good. Not good. Is it me or is it just the track? I don't know.
It must be the traction. I thought I was trying to grab, like,
I gotta figure out how to.
Slipping the whole time?
Yes, the whole time.
Oh.
And that wasn't even flat foot shifting. That's just like, dude, oh my God. Thank you. Appreciate it. That was a 9.5, dude. That's terrible. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. So just ate shit at the track. I mean, the thing is that, like, it's not. It doesn't really matter, but it's not built to be a drag car. I'm not on slicks. This car probably requires slicks just because it's front wheel drive. I'm gonna have to pedal first gear like way harder and second gear because I just spun through the whole thing. But I did a cool burnout.
Yeah.
That was fire. I'll take that. This is a subscriber right here.
The what?
The subscriber.
Oh
yeah. How'd you like that L?
I don't know. You caught up at the end a little bit though.
I was catching him, but I spun down the whole track. Was there smoke coming out the tires?
A little bit.
A little bit. So I need to go more probably.
Probably a little bit more.
All right, yeah, because I felt like I slipped quite a bit the whole way there.
At the end though, you kind of I think if you just start a little bit more.
Yeah, we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
All right, wish me luck. I'm gonna go again. Keep an eye out for me.
Hey, you can shop around.
Yeah, come on. Woo! You ready? This is your first time on a track, I'm assuming, right?
Yeah.
This is Valentina, by the way. This is my buddy's friend. First time on a track, and well, she's in one of the slowest cars here, probably. All right, guys, let's see what the deal is here. No idea. I don't have the traction in first and second. I was catching them though. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna try and give it a little bit softer.
Have fun, baby.
All right, let's go. All right, boys. Second pass. Let's see what happens. Not really sure what to expect, but we're gonna try our absolute best.
Where's that? Oh.
Okay, I don't think I got any smoke there either, but that's okay. Thanks to my ABSs. Slipping again. See, we're gonna catch him at the end. Was that sick?
Wow.
Okay, so that was much better.
Yeah, it was much better.
Like that actually felt pretty good. Okay, so I think that burnout did do something. I don't know how to act, Valentina. Damn it! Just like usual. Woohoo! Woo! All right, let's see what the time is. Probably trapped like 85-ish. How is that possible? So yeah, I trapped that was a 9.5 at 82, which that's better than the last one, but that's still trash because I spun all through second again. So that we need to get that fixed. Trying to lock it up, baby. Trying to lock it up. That was a pretty good burnout, I think. I have no fucking clue. Let's send it. Just spinning all the way. That was terrible. Really bad. That was actually really bad. That was the worst. That was the worst one I've done so far, by a long shot. So that didn't feel good. All right, or I'm gonna take a break and regroup, see if my tires are still on the car because it feels like they don't exist. So take that out, baby. Hey, remember when I said I was gonna slap some muscle cars? Yay! I'm a fucking liar. Woo! I don't want to look at it.
Okay.
Okay. Yes! 9.8, baby!
Oh!
No, that's the worst.
Ew! Didn't feel good.
So that was the worst one I've done, for sure. That was a 9.8. Again, it just spun all the way through every gear. Not third, but second. First and second are just, they don't exist.
Well, you did good.
Everything sounds good. My car's happy. It's
Then that's
good,
all that matters.
And we came back. and we're not dead.
Yeah, so
Sounds simple, but pretty good.
it's the little things, right?
You're the Subaru hot boy, huh? What's up, hot boy? The time to beat is a 9.5.
9.5.
Dude, you got it.
I've literally never launched this before.
Dude, you can roll off and you'll fucking kill me.
I'm gonna flat foot shift the whole thing though.
Are you?
Yeah.
Guys, this is Axel. He's got the sick Subaru hot boy look going on. Garage Collective sponsor. And
Hawaiian shirt Friday.
Oh yeah. And he's about to gap the fuck out of me. Guys, this is Sam, one of my subscribers. He came out and I was walking, he's just like, "Are you Griffin?" I was like, kind of shocked. And he's like, "What's up, bro?" But anyways,
Heck yeah.
I'm gonna take him in the car in a little bit here and see what he thinks, and so we can get gapped together.
Nah, next one is gonna be it. Trust
We'll see, we'll see.
Next one's it.
We'll catch you guys in a second. You ready for this, brother?
Let's do it.
All right, man. We're running an EcoBoost, so we have some chance, but we're trapping much higher speeds than him. But I don't know. I don't fucking know. It's such a short track. Like, it's like if you don't get the start right, you're kind of done. So. All right, brother. Wait. Oh yeah, window up. I thought he said good luck. He's fucking out. He's like, window up, bitch. You little slow boy. All right, let's burn it. All right, we did it. We did a burnout.
Hell yeah.
See how it starts to pick up? Damn it!
Holy shit. Fucking crazy.
They're pretty sick, huh?
Yes. The fucking pops, dude.
I don't think that was, I mean, that wasn't terrible, but you see what I mean by we just slip.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you have to go so slow through first and second, it's unreal.
But once you get going, it's fucking nuts.
Once you get going, it's nuts, but like, can you imagine if we had that power in first and second, like, we'd be like, ooh, like, on the seat. That's not how it works, boys. We'll hit one more run, see if we can do a little better. Oh, actually, that was my best. Yeah, 9.3.
There we go.
So we're getting there. We got a little bit more traction. Trapping 83. So we're trapping 83 and he's trapping 80. So we're catching quickly, but there's just not enough. There's not enough time. No traction. If you guys have any idea, comment down below. I just got the tires put on for this thing like this morning, and I just drove straight to work and then straight here. Some people are telling me there's like a coating on it or something. Like, I have no idea. That's making it maybe slipperier, but I have no clue. But if you guys know, please let me know, because I'm coming back to this, obviously. Like, I'm not gonna not do this again. This was 30 bucks, and I got to meet one of you guys, which is awesome. Like, I'm for sure coming back. So this is more like kind of feel it out, see what we run, and if we can adjust for, you know, drag racing on a minimal level, because I'm not going to like start drag racing the car as like the main thing. There's no way. But to be fair, it is the cheapest.
Smoking in between rounds, man. You keep forgetting stuff.
What'd you say? Oh, you're kidding? What the fuck?
What did he say?
Did he say it was my car smoking? Did you? Oh wait, buddy. Did you say my car was smoking?
No, I said you guys are smoking too much between rounds. You're forgetting stuff.
I gotcha. All right, well, that made me feel a lot better. At least he thinks I'm high and not my car braking. I'm fine with that. Fuck it. All right, baby. I'm doing a full burnout, baby. That was a big one. That was a big burnout. I hate doing that to my car. that really hurts me. Oh, this is gonna be the best one. This is gonna be the best run for sure.
Fuck yes.
All right, I think that was gonna be the best run for sure. I think that was it. All right, that actually felt pretty good.
That was good as fuck.
Okay, so I think the bigger burnout helps a lot, obviously.
That felt good as fuck.
And I fully accept getting gapped by that guy, because that guy is fast.
Yeah,
fast. Dude, I think we just did our best run.
That was so good.
I'm hoping that was in the 8s. Like, I literally need 0.3 seconds. Like, can I get that, please? Can a brother get 0.3 seconds?
I think it was.
I think it was, dude.
Dude, that felt really fucking good.
I feel like it feels faster for you than it does for me. Like in the passenger seat.
does.
Can you give it a kiss for me for good luck? Please?
She can.
She. You little girl. Alright, let's see. What's up, man?
Yo.
What did I just run? Was it a
I
nut?
didn't see. I just fucking walked out.
Alright, let me see it. Damn, so I'm just taking L's no matter what. All right, so that did feel better though, did it not?
What'd you run?
A 9.4. I ran a 9.3 earlier, but I just cannot get traction for my life. Give me your thought. What are you swerving so hard? How do you think I did? What do you think I can improve
I think
on?
you did everything right, honestly, but you got brand new tires. I do think that there is some
like a coating or something?
Coating that's on the tires, because I'm watching you down the strip and you're hitting it. You're not misshifting or
it's just
anything,
spinning.
but you're just spinning the whole time.
Yeah,
like you're not
hear me
traction
pedaling
at all.
it?
Yeah, the
can
whole
you hear me like?
Dude, your car's so quiet
It is
compared to all the other ones.
Oh,
like
I know.
I don't hear your car. It's like
I know.
I hear.
We can go here
I
now,
hear
right?
turbo.
I don't think anyone cares.
I just hear.
I'm cool with you just hearing turbo. That's fine with me.
No, it sounds good.
Bro, thank you so much. I'm glad I got to give him a ride. Hey, he says it's fast.
It is quick.
It's quick.
Crazy. It's crazy. It's hard to compare to these cars.
Yeah,
because
dude.
They're so different.
So, boys, I will see you guys in a minute. Damn it, just hang on. Damn it, Yes. All right, guys, so obviously we took a lot of L's, but dude, fuck it. I don't even care. Like, the fact that some of you guys showed up, I know that Sam was the only one on camera, but I had a couple of you guys yelling at me and whatever, and I saw you guys. That's crazy. Like, that is crazy to me. It really, really motivates me to keep going harder and harder and harder, which I was gonna do anyways, but like, to see that there's actual faces behind these comments and these people, it's like, it's the gnarliest thing. Like, it is the weirdest thing. I had a great time. The highlight of that whole day was being able to take Sam down the track with me and give him that experience and just like hang out with him. Like, so sick. That was a surreal day. That was a 10 out of 10 day. Like, I just made a post about it on my Instagram, and so some of you guys probably saw it, but dude, that was a 10 out of 10, dude. That was a 10 out of 10 day. We'll go back with a better plan. We'll fuck up some muscle cars because we're trapping much higher speeds than all of these cars. We're like 5 to 7 miles an hour faster than most of these cars, and I'm spinning the whole way. So, yeah, boy. I seriously appreciate all of you guys. You know that. Sam, I hope you had a good time. And boys, I will catch you on the next one. Peace.